People often ask me if it's possible for them to improve their own posture, and if so, how do they get started? What's one simple thing that they can implement in their life which will give them an immediate result? I've got one tip that I often share with them, and I'd like to share that here with you. My name's Pete Robinson from movementandposture.com. I'm a qualified Alexander Technique teacher. I'll be releasing new videos every week, so please subscribe and ding the notification bell so you don't miss out. Posture can be really confusing for people. There are all kinds of systems and procedures and exercises and even products that you can buy which all claim to be able to improve your posture. The Alexander Technique's been around for over 126 years and has helped countless people improve their posture, as well as improve their movements, get rid of aches and pains, and avoid injury. The Alexander Technique's based on the idea of trying to get rid of unhelpful habits that we've developed in the way that we use ourselves, so that we can return our body back to more natural ways of moving. We're going to look at one simple thing today, which is to consider where the weight of our head is going. Our heads are really heavy. They weigh around 5 kilograms, 10 or 11 pounds in the average person. They're balanced right at the top of our bodies, and they have a huge impact on our posture. We're going to look at two aspects of this. The first aspect is considering the alignment of the head. What we want is for the weight of that head to be released through our skeleton, through our bones, into the floor. So as I sit here, I'm expecting the weight of my head to go through my spine, through my pelvis, and then into the chair. If I was standing, it would of course go through the legs and into the feet. We find that if we're not in good alignment, then more and more of that weight starts to get held by our muscles. So for example, a lot of people have a habit of sitting forwards so that their head is no longer aligned over the spine, over the support from the chair. Other people habitually sit to one side. Some people sit leaning backwards. So just considering where is that support and is my head balanced over it, that can have quite a big effect straight away. The second thing I'd like you to consider is to think about what you might be doing to prevent that weight from freely releasing into the floor. So this is really people holding excess tension in their body. We find that a lot of people are holding bits of them tight and they don't even realise, because they're so focused on what they're doing that they're not really paying attention to the signals coming from their body. So just by having a little scan through yourself, just checking that you're allowing the weight of that head to release through the neck, through the back, through the chest, not holding it in the stomach, you're not holding the weight in your pelvis and your hips, and you're allowing that weight to just drop straight into the ground. So we're not trying to put you into a position, we're not trying to relax anything, we're just bringing awareness to where the head is in relationship to the support underneath it, and considering whether we're doing anything that might be preventing the weight from releasing. I hope you found that useful. Give it a try for a few days or a week. Just whenever you remember during the day, just consider those two things and see whether it has an effect for you. Let me know via the comments box how you get on. Also, if you have any questions about this or anything else to do with the Alexander Technique or posture or movement, then again, please drop me a line. If you have any suggestions for videos that you'd like me to make, any topics you'd like covered, again, drop me a line via the comments box, get in touch on social media. Don't forget to subscribe, ding the notification bell, and I hope to see you again on another one of these videos.